Hey art friends, today we are going to draw a snowboarding snowman.
Yeah, it's going to be awesome, and we hope you're going to follow along with us. You need your drawing supplies. We're using markers, but you can use whatever you have. You also need some
Paper and something to color with.
Yeah, you ready to start?
Yes.
Because we're using markers to draw and color with, we're also using marker paper, and that helps keep our markers lasting longer, and it's also fun to draw on. Let's first start by drawing our snowman's mouth, and I'm going to draw it right here in the middle of my paper. I'm going to draw a funny mouth shape like that. I'm going to draw open because our snowman's having too much fun. And we could also draw a little tongue inside. And then let's draw the eyes. I'm going to draw a big circle here and the same size circle on the right. Now let's draw a smaller circle in the top left for the highlight. This makes the eyes look shiny. Then let's color in the big circle, but leave the little circles white. That part we sped up, so remember to pause the video if you ever need extra time. Okay, now let's draw our snowman's head. And we're going to start here next to the eye, and we're going to come underneath, and then we're going to come back up over here next to the other eye. Then we're going to draw the top of our snowman's head, or the bottom of his hat, or her hat. Then let's draw the hat coming out on the left and then also coming out on the right. So we draw the same line but going the other direction on the other side, and then we can connect those two lines together. And look, I'm trying to match this line to the one that we drew below it. Yeah, good job. Now let's draw the rest of the hat coming up higher, around, and then back down. Then we can draw the little pom-pom on top. I'm going to draw a bumpy line that comes around and trying to make the shape of a circle, but with little popcorn line. Yeah. You could also add eyelashes to your snowman or snowwoman's eyes. There you go. That's Hadley's #1 rule. Always add eyelashes.
I like that rule.
Now let's draw our snow person's scarf. I'm going to draw a curve that comes down from the chin or cheek, and then underneath the chin, and then come up and connect to the other cheek. Yeah. Then we could draw the hands. And the arms too. We're going to draw this arm first. I'm going to draw a curve that comes out like this. We're going to come around and then come back and connect to the scarf. Yeah. And then we could also add gloves to our little snowman. And I'm going to draw another line right next to it. Then we can draw the belly right here, or the body for our snowman. And then let's draw the other arm coming out like this and back in. And then we can draw the two lines for the mitten. Oh, and we could also add a little thumb. Maybe our snowman's giving us thumbs up. Then let's draw our snowman's back, or the left side of the body. Then we're going to draw the snowboard, and I'm going to start here and draw a diagonal line that comes down this way, and we'll go just past the body. And then we're going to draw the legs and also the snow boots. We're going to draw an upside down U like this. And then we're going to draw another one right next to it that matches. And then we can draw a little line for the top of the boots. And I'm going to draw the snowboard extending just past the legs a little bit further. Yeah. And then we can draw the curve, or the snowboard, where it curves up on the front and also on the back. Then we're going to come down just a little further, and we're going to draw the same diagonal line, and we want to draw it parallel or matching this first line that we drew. Yeah, and then we're going to draw that little curve to match here on the back and also on the front. And then we can draw a curve that comes up and connects to the top on both sides. Then let's draw the buttons. I'm going to draw one button here and another button kind of behind the leg. Oh, let's also add the scarf coming out this way. Because our snow person's going really fast, we're going to draw the end of the scarf coming back. And then we can draw a line connecting. And then let's draw another part of the scarf coming up further, and then we can connect down. Taryn, we did it. We finished drawing our snow person snowboarding, except we're not completely done.
Nope, we still need to color it.
Yes, my favorite part. We're going to fast forward, so remember to pause the video and take time to color your drawings. You ready to speed things up?
Yes.
We did it! We finished drawing and coloring our snow people snowboarding. I especially love the colors that you chose.
Oh, thank you so much.
You can pause the video right now to match our same coloring, or
You could color it any way you want.
yeah. Now we used our markers, our Art for Kids Hub markers, and if you want to use the same colors, I used 23 orange and 74 blue. That's the darker blue. And then the lighter blue for shading, we used 66 for the snow too.
I used 88 pink and 57 green.
Well, I really like that green color. It's super cool.
Our art friends could also add a background.
That would be really cool. You could draw the mountains or maybe even a ski lift. Oh, you could even draw more snow people snowboarding.
Maybe one even going off a jump.
Yeah, that would be really cool.
We hope you had fun drawing a snowman snowboarding.
We do. We hope you had a lot of fun, and we hope you take extra time to color your drawings and add even more things. And we'll see you later, our friends. Goodbye.